This breaking update coming in from Maharashtra, where this is the Maratha quota showdown again that has now been witnessed, and the protest that has now entered its second day. As far as when it comes to this agitation that has been taking place over Maratha quota at Mumbai's Azad Maidan, multiple protesters who have gathered when it comes to braving the rains and at this historic ground. The stir has now entered its second day, and of course when it comes to the lakhs of quota agitators who have now gathered in support of the activist Manoj Jarange, who has again launched an indefinite fast demanding 10% quota for Marathas under the OBC or the other backward class caste category. As far as when it comes to such kind of development that is now been witnessed. Additionally, when we speak of political reactions that has been coming in, this is his yet another indefinite hunger strike that he has launched, declaring that he will not budge until the community's demands were fulfilled. Arunil is connected with us once again. Arunil, once again the Maratha quota stir is back in focus, with the activist himself again declaring that he would continue with his indefinite fast.
Well, that is right. Basically, permission has been granted only till today. Only 1 day's permission was given. Yesterday, we saw the kind of inconvenience that was caused to the commuters in Mumbai as well. Roads across Mumbai were basically blocked. At present, I'm reporting from outside the iconic Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus. This is the BMC building as well. The entire road has been occupied by the supporters of Manoj Jarange Patil. Azad Maidan is also, which is a historic venue again, is also been occupied by Manoj Jarange Patil himself is sitting over there. His supporters are also there. We'll speak to these protesters who have gathered here. आपसे बात करेंगे. क्या आप सरकार ने आज तक का परमिशन दिया है? क्या आप आज वापस से चले जाएंगे या आपका प्रोटेस्ट कंटिन्यू होने वाला है?
हमारे जब तक जारंगे पाटिल जी बोलेंगे नहीं कि आप मुंबई छोड़ो, तब तक हम मुंबई नहीं छोड़ेंगे. अगर जारंगे पाटिल को कुछ भी हुआ तो पूरा मुंबई आपको देखने लायक रहेगा बाद में.
Okay, so kind of an open threat has been issued by the protesters as well. Clearly, it mounts pressure on CM Devendra Fadnavis. We have seen very harsh words being used by Manoj Jarange Patil against CM Devendra Fadnavis particularly. An interesting development is also shaping up in Maharashtra politics. Eknath Shinde has not spoken a single word against Manoj Jarange Patil till now, and Jarange Patil himself has praised Eknath Shinde multiple times. Now, Eknath Shinde is the second in command when it comes to this Mahayuti government in the state of Maharashtra. Very interesting development certainly shaping up. Eknath Shinde के अगेंस्ट जरांगे पाटिल कुछ बोलते नहीं है. क्या शिंदे जी आपके साथ है? क्योंकि फडणवीस जी के साथ तो कंप्लीटली लग रहा है कि दोनों का जम नहीं रहा है, जरांगे पाटिल और देवेंद्र फडणवीस.
एकनाथ शिंदे साहब ने इसके पहले हमारे शिवाजी महाराज की उन्होंने शपथ खाई थी. उन्होंने आप वो शपथ का उन्होंने आप ये करना चाहिए. और हमारे जरंगे पाटिल और आप उसके वास्ते उसको ओपोजिशन को बैठे उन्होंने जो बोले वो दिया नहीं. आप फडणवीस क्या बोलते पद पे नहीं रहने के बाद, वो क्या बोलते कि नहीं आरक्षण हमको देना इनको. आप पद आया तो क्यों नहीं दे रहे? जब खुर्ची नहीं तब आरक्षण मांगते, और खुर्ची आई तो मिलते. वो क्या बोलते नहीं आप आरक्षण नहीं मिल सकता. ये कौन सा
बहुत सारे मराठा नेता ऐसे भी है. नीतीश राणे जो है, राम कदम है, जो खुद ही मराठा है, बट वो बोल रहे हमें तो आरक्षण नहीं चाहिए. इसको कैसे देखते हो?
ओ नीतीश राणे को क्या आरक्षण की जरूरत है? उनको पहले से आरक्षण क्या आरक्षण की जरूरत है?
With respect to these protesters, certainly have gathered over here in large numbers. It is a deadlock between the Maharashtra government and the supporters of Manoj Jarange Patil, which is not ending since a long time now. Before the Maharashtra polls as well, these protesters had threatened to come to Mumbai. They returned from Vashi itself. It is in the outskirts of Mumbai.
But as far as saying and calling it as a betrayal that we have seen on part of Uddhav Thackeray, saying that what has the government done till now, despite repeated assurances, when it comes to the people of Maratha community, they have completely failed, and this is nothing but ultimate betrayal that is now being called and suggested by Uddhav Thackeray when it comes to the UBT faction of the Shiv Sena. Please to stay on with us, Arunil. We have another round of breaking update coming in that the Home Minister is holding talks with Vinod Tavre. What is being said that these discussions are taking place in Mumbai over the Maratha Andolan, as suggestions and sources have been saying that the VP elections are also set to be on the agenda, and Bihar poll strategy is also being discussed. Let's go back to Arunil on this, because we are looking at the BJP National General Secretary Vinod Tawde meeting the Union Home Minister, and what is now being said that there are several issues that have been marked for the upcoming matters that are also being discussed. That talks about a vice presidential election, Arunil, Bihar Assembly elections, and of course organizational matters as well.
Well, certainly yes. Home Minister Amit Shah is in Mumbai today. He soon will be visiting Lal Bagh Cha Raja. Post that, he does this annually itself. And whenever Home Minister Amit Shah comes to Mumbai, he holds a meeting in Mumbai. Vinod Tawde also being here, one of the senior leaders from central BJP leadership, and also somebody who handles elections across pan-India. Now, Bihar elections coming to the Bihar elections also lined up. Mainly, the talk is slated to be about Bihar polls as well as about.
As you interact when it comes to the agitators and the protesters on ground there at the Azad Maidan, the iconic location where we are looking at the second day of the protest that has now entered. रविकांत भी हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पे जुड़ गए. रविकांत, विनोद तावड़े के साथ ये जो मीटिंग चल रही है होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाह की, अब कई चीजें, कई मुद्दे बताया जा रहा है डिस्कशन में. वहां पर बताया जा रहा है कि बातें चल रही है, चाहे वो मराठा एजिटेशन हो, आने वाले जो जहां तक वाइस प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्शन की बात की जाए, या आने वाले बिहार में चुनावों की.
देखिए, विनोद तावड़े महाराष्ट्र के बड़े नेताओं में से एक हैं और वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय महासचिव होने के साथ ही बिहार के चुनाव के प्रभारी हैं और केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री मुंबई के दौरे पर हैं. इस दौरान मराठा आंदोलन को लेकर जो अपडेट है वो केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री 1-to-1 मुलाकात में उन्होंने विनोद तावड़े से ली है. इसके साथ ही वाइस प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्शन की जो कोऑर्डिनेशन की जिम्मेदारी है वो विनोद तावड़े को सौंपी गई है. ऐसे में जो एनडीए के उपराष्ट्रपति पद के उम्मीदवार हैं उनका अलग अलग पार्टियों के यहाँ विजिट हो रहा है, उनकी मुलाकात की जा रही है. सारा कोऑर्डिनेशन का जिम्मा जो है पार्टी ने विनोद तावड़े को सौंपी है. लेकिन जो मराठा आंदोलन चल रहा है रिजर्वेशन को लेकर, उसमें जो इम्पोर्टेंट रोल है विनोद तावड़े का, ये आंदोलन किस तरीके से खत्म हो, क्योंकि महाराष्ट्र में भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार है. इसीलिए पूरा ग्राउंड का अपडेट क्या है, क्या क्या डिमांड्स हैं और किस तरीके से इसको एंड किया जा सकता है, इसको लेकर मुलाकात की गई है. और इसमें 3 अहम बिंदुओं पर केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री ने विनोद तावड़े से अपडेट लिया है.
All right. Ravikant, धन्यवाद आपका हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. As far as updates that are now coming in from Maharashtra politics, as far as the Maratha agitation is concerned and a slew of other political issues, what is being learned through sources is this meeting that seems to be happening between the Union Home Minister and BJP leader Vinod Tawde. Let's in the meantime listen into other political reactions as well.
महाराष्ट्र में आज हम लोगों ने 17 MOU साइन किए हैं. करीब 34,000 करोड़ के MOUs हैं. इसमें करीब 33,000 न्यू एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट हो रही है. देखिए, उद्धव ठाकरे जी के सरकार के कार्यकाल में मराठा समाज के लिए किया हुआ एक काम,
म्हणून मी म्हटलं की मराठी माणूस मुंबईत येणार नाही तर काय सुरत आणि गुवाहाटीला जाणार न्याय हक्क मागण्यासाठी, तो मुंबईत येत येणार, कारण मुंबई मराठी माणसाची राजधानी. ज्यांनी आरक्षण घेऊ हे शिवाजी महाराजांची शपथ घेऊन सांगितलं होतं. म्हणजे सरकार आलं तर आम्ही 6 महिन्यात आरक्षण देऊ हे ज्यांनी सांगितलं होतं तेच लोक सरकार सत्तेमध्ये आहेत. कारण गणेशोत्सव सुरू आहे, ते काही इकडे मराठी माणसं सगळी आलेली आहेत, ती काही इकडे दंगल करायला नाही आलेली, न्याय हक्कासाठी आलेली आहेत.
Well, political reactions that have been coming in when it comes to the former Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray calling it as an ultimate betrayal to the Maratha community, despite assurances being given